In this blog, I will talk to myself about where I think the stock prices of DBS, OCBC, and UOB might be heading. As I do this, I remind myself that technical analysis is about probability and not certainty. I will start with what I feel is the weakest of the three, UOB. Of the three banks, UOB is the only one to end the day with a red candle. UOB's stock price started the day at $28.05 but closed at $27.84. The bears are strong here, and the flat 200 days moving average at $28.47 will probably be the resistance level to watch for now. The MFI has entered oversold territory, which might bring out some bargain hunters, but with momentum deep in negative territory, it is unlikely that UOB would break resistance provided by the 200 days moving average. I see the next significant support at around $26.90. This is a many times tested support level, which was also the resistance level in the month of October last year. I feel that DBS's stock shares a similar fate to UOB's, but it ended the day with a green candle, which is a sign that the selling pressure here is better absorbed compared to UOB's case. DBS opened at $31.70 but closed higher at $32.33. Similar to UOB, the 200 days moving average at $33.15, previously the support, will now be the resistance to watch. Just like UOB, DBS is now in oversold territory, which could result in some bargain hunting. We could see the gap filled at $32.70 in such a case, but with momentum deep in negative territory, it is unlikely that resistance provided by the 200 days moving average could be overcome. We could possibly see a retracement to $30 or so a share, which was the support level seen in the months of June and July last year. This is if the bearish sentiment continues to dominate. So, that leaves us with OCBC, which has exhibited the most resilience. Even though the trading volume was much higher than the day before, a green spinning top, a reversal signal formed. Now, a single candle reversal signal isn't very strong and it could very well fail. Just like DBS and UOB, OCBC is now trading at below its 200 days moving average. Unlike UOB's, which has flatlined, OCBC's 200 days moving average, currently at $12.14, is still rising, although gently. The positive divergence in OCBC's chart, which I mentioned in recent blogs on our local bank's price action, is still visible. If I were to join the lowest points in July and October last year, we can see that OCBC's uptrend is still intact. The trend line could provide immediate support, which seems to be at $11.80 to $11.90 this week. If that breaks, then the uptrend is broken and we could see a retracement to various supports at $11.70, $11.50, and then $11.30. These price levels have acted as important supports and resistance many times.